Hello everyone and welcome. For those that don't know me, I'm Jackie White, Sweet Dreams Travel. And in today's video, I will be talking to you about 4 ways to get discounted tickets on Amtrak. So let's begin. The first way is to plan your trip way ahead of time. So as you can see here, if the train is 80% full, meaning that the trip is very close to happening, this is going to be the price. This is going from Baltimore to New York. Now, if you decide to plan better and wait and do it, say a month or 2 months out, this is your price. So you see, it's very discounted as long as you plan your Amtrak trip ahead of time. The second way is by military service, seniors, students. All of these do have discounts associated with them. And by the way, for all those military, I'd like to thank you personally from one veteran to another for your service. The third way, as you can see here, is a program called Bid Up. And in this program, say you've purchased a coach ticket, and about 4 days or so ahead of your trip, you can go back into the system and look and see if the train that you're riding on has the program available. And you can actually bid for coach, going from coach to business, or going from business, if you're in the area where a seller is, to first class. And the final one is sign up for their frequent rail program. As long as you sign up for that, they will send you emails in reference to various sales that they're having, which you can get a discounted ticket on before anyone else knows. And again, I remind you, it goes back into planning because they will go up on prices. Thanks for watching and tune in for more great videos.